Size sneakers is plain fake, guys. Size sneakers, no? I don't know if I. Yes, guys. Good morning, guys. I did see that video what I was making about just to explain people about size sneakers and all that, no? About size sneakers selling fake sneakers and all that, no? There was another lady also. I think there will be others also making some videos about it, you know, and talking about it and so, and say maybe I have only that three pair of sneakers, you understand, only that 3 pair of sneakers. But because I just want to let you know, like, yeah, I have a lot. You can see I have a lot of sneakers, a lot, and I don't know what I'm doing, you know. I'm an upcoming businessman, you understand now, no? And I'm busy with Timberland and all that stuff, no? So I just want to let you guys know, man. No hard feelings. I just want my people to know the real thing, man. You cannot sell fake sneakers and then you think it's okay. I will say it once again. You cannot think it's okay, man. You understand? It's because of you guys selling fake stuff. That's why our country is like this. It's become like Zimbabwe. It's becomes like Malawi and all that stuff, bruh. So if you want to wear a pair of Timbs, no, and you want to wear a pair of liquor, Nikes and all that, work for it, buy the real thing. Then you feel proud about it, because why? If you gonna do your business one day, no, and someone gonna copy your business, you understand what? You know you did put a lot of work in, you understand, then you will not like it, you understand, because of, baby, like, girl, yo, I'm just want to let you guys know, like, I'm dealing with a lot of people who are doing business and all that. That's why I'm saying I'm an upcoming businessman, you understand, and I'm trying my best, you understand. So don't think I'm like, by Timberland, you don't buy things like on, you cannot lay by it. You don't lay by it by Timberland, you understand. Like I said, I do some business there and stuff like that. So don't go there, man. You understand? And I have a lot of sneakers. A lot of sneakers. You understand? So yeah, that's what I want to say, man. I have a lot. So I don't want to expose all of them, but it's a lot, you understand. It's a lot what I have in here. At the back also, there's also a lot of sneakers there also. So yeah, keep it low, keep it go.
Yo, my TikTok mensen, kijk hier net op klomp rumors, man. As JJ sneakers, as AJ sneakers, a sneaker head en a sneaker kick, whatever. Kijk, die boete uit nou die dagen sê JJ sneakers op 5 tekkies. Hy tekkies gaat koop en kan ja loop. 3000 een paar Jordans, weet jy hoeveel is hy Timsie? Right, hy is maandag. Ek sien ek die video. Gister was woensdag. Hier verkoop hy nou tekkies. Hy sê 3000 betaal vir 'n paar tekkies. Nou hoeveel verkoop hy 'n paar tekkies? Ons los hy storie net daar. Maar ons is hier om te judge, man. Tap Out het gesê, dit maak nie saak wat sy dra nie. Dit maak nie saak wat sy dra nie, boeta. Solank sy sexy en hoe lyk. Zodra JJ sneakers naar my huis toe kom of Tap Out of Cesare Megan stop hiervoor en hulle sê my lekker bek, hier's 'n paar tekkies. Het sy gesien hoe loop ek met hy tekkies? Daai beteken JJ sneakers. Hy tekkies as jy hom in jou voete het. Kyk vir Street Kings. Kyk hoe smaak hy boetes. JJ sneakers. So nie vir ons kom sê, nee, hy koop by Kanyalo, hy koop by wie en by wat nie. Ons allemaal het die finansies. Kanyalo is mense wat kanale in hulle beursies het, boeta. Mense wat beursies, geld in hulle beursies het, Kanyalo. Ons is nie by Kanyalo gebeuren nie. Ons is net die by die Civic Center, by die Promenade, by Biabel gebeuren, man. Straightforward. Ons by Biabel gebeuren. Ons dra nie expensive. Daar is nie van expensive geit nie. En ander dings naam is die, ek wil net een shout-out geef vir Tap Out. Dankie vir die wat die leidetjies so sponsor, man. En optel, Cesare Megan, die selle. Dankie vir die wat die mente sponsor met tekkies. Los die rumors, los die haters. Die stukkie kry hulle van niet by Ons sal nie die 3000 rand se tekkies kopie. Wat eet ons die einde van die maand? Ons nou die tekkies later en eet. And I thank you.
Yes, guys. Today I want to just to let you guys know about JJ sneakers. Now, I want to talk this all three. It's original, man. It's original. I don't know if I just want to explain you guys like about JJ sneakers. JJ sneakers is plain fake, guys. And you guys know about that guy about what's his name again? They call him Tap Out. They call him Tap Out. And I just want to let you guys know that sneakers what they're selling. That sneakers about JJ sneakers, that is plain fake, guys. Plain fake, and that is not how we going, bro. And you guys cannot lie to people and think that is okay. It's just a hustle what you guys doing and all that. And I just want to tell you guys the truth, man. Look, this is the sneakers what most of the people buying now. Can you guys see? This one, this is the 6 rings. This is a 6 rings, ne? This one going for, this original, you guys can see. This going for 3,500 rand. 3,500 rand. I buy it in Waterfront. In Waterfront by Sports Scene. I buy this one. You guys know? Can see? Original. Original. So now, this one I want to tell you guys, this is the Timberland. I buy it by Tim in Waterfront. This is also in Waterfront. So guys, stop. Even JJ sneakers make me so angry. The reason I make this video because why? Even JJ sneakers selling Tims, and that is absolute fake. You guys know. And this one, a lot of people like this one. And this one go, this Jordan goes. This the box is a little bit dirty. And this one goes for 3,200 rand. So yeah, I want to show the box. This is what goes on. So
daar's net 7 dae. Wat soek jy met 8, 9, 10 paar skoene? As jy kan afford en daar staan 'n befokte kar in jou befokte eie huis, in jou eie yard, dan maak dit sens dat jy so baie skoene het. Maar as jy nie eens fucking belou nie in die aan op jou brood het nie, maar jy elke dag 'n nuwe paar tekkies aan, het maak nie sensie. Jy het meer tekkies as jy week van die dag, het maak nie sensie. Asseblief toch, dan jy jou deset om te sê, jy het gekoop by Sports Scene. As op ons moet glo, jy het nou 10 paar tekkies en elke paar tekkies is 2.500 rand. But jy bly by jou ma. Fucking slaap op het die punt.
Ek weet nie wat die stukkie hoor nie, maar hier's Lekkerbek se huis, man. Kom gou hier se camera mens. Hulle wys wat die Lekkerbek gemaak. Ja, nuwe kas, nuwe banke, né? Nuwe kooi. 'n Nuwe kooi, nuwe hangkas. Daai stukkie kry hulle nie by plus sonnekrag. Hier is hulle skakel met sonnekrag. Ek wil net vir julle manne sê, man. Ek wil net vir julle manne sê, moenie my weet ja, dis 'n man, bly jy nog steeds by jou ma se huisie. 'n Man bly op sy eie en hy stukkie kry hulle nie by en I thank you.
Guys, ek weet nie wie moet die hoor nie. Wat luister hier. Wat sy nie het nie, moet sy nie nou het nie. Wat sy verloor het jy verloor. En wat jy moet het, sal jy het. Het 'n lekker dag.